Good day. In this question, we are asked to solve for the mass of O2 consumed. So from the equation between sucrose C12H22O11 solid plus O2 gas, that will yield to CO2 gas and H2O gas or liquid. First, we need to balance the equation. So we have 12 CO2 and we have 11 H2O since we have 22. So 11 plus 24. So we have 11O, and therefore this is also 12. So from the